Hello and welcome back to the Be Creative YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking you through the process required to apply your heat transfer vinyl onto your garment. Please watch this video through first, as there is information throughout and at the end. To start, you will need an ironing board, an iron with a few steam holes as possible, either a silicone sheet or a non-coated baking paper, and of course your vinyl and garment. Make sure there is no water in your iron, as this will ruin the vinyl when applying it to the garment. Set up your ironing board and iron, allowing your iron to heat up to around 160 degrees Celsius. Once your iron is at the desired temperature, lay your garment over the ironing board with the area for the vinyl application accessible. Iron the area of the garment where you want to apply your vinyl. This will remove any excess moisture from your garment. Once you have done this, you will need to take your vinyl and align it onto your garment, making sure the sticky side is face down and the text or image is the correct way round when looking at it. When you are happy with the alignment, press the vinyl onto the garment so that it sticks in place. Then take your cover sheet. We are using a silicone sheet, but you can use a non-coated baking paper. Lay your protective sheet over the top of your vinyl and apply heavy pressure with your iron over the vinyl area. If your vinyl is small enough, you may be able to do this in one go. If not, you will need to press down in multiple sections to get the desired results. You will need to press down firmly for 16 seconds per section. And then, trying not to overlap, you then flip it over and do the other side. Once you have done this and ensured you have heated the entire vinyl, you can remove the cover sheet and peel the plastic away from the vinyl. If any of the vinyl starts to peel up from the plastic, then put it back down and reapply the cover sheet and reheat for a further 10 seconds. Once you have peeled the plastic off the vinyl, reapply your cover sheet and repress with the iron with heavy pressure for another 16 seconds, repeating this in multiple places, trying not to overlap. If you cannot fit the entire design under your iron, after you are happy with the transfer of the vinyl, remove your garment from the ironing board and put it to one side to cool down. Do not wash your garment for at least 24 hours after pressing, and ensure the garment is cool before wearing. Some things to keep an eye on are ensuring the plastic backing sheet does not crinkle. Also, when doing the second press, to seal the vinyl, make sure that it doesn't bubble. Thank you for watching. We hope this has been helpful and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Stay safe and be kind.